Good morning. Here we are once again. Today we are opening our August 24th glove box, and here you go, Mia. Let's pull stuff out. What do you think's going to be in here?
Air freshener.
An air freshener. Okay. We got some stuff.
Oh, I'm going to do the guide.
Oh, you're going to read the guide?
We already have 2024. Crazy, right?
BioWorks Auto.
This can be a
bio-based auto care.
5 kids on break. Socha, events and life select.
Load your car care routine. Highly concentrated, non-toxic, plant-derived cleaning products. That's going to be very interesting. Let's see. You ready to pull some of this stuff out? Or are you still reading? Okay, Mia's still reading. You want to check out this air freshener? You want to smell it? You want to take it out? Let's do the smell test. Okay, I'm going to do the smell test.
I'll do it too. It smells strong.
It smells like cologne. It smells like boy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But it looks cool. It's got a ghost on it. It's got the glove box symbol on the back. What do you think? What are you going to rate it?
I think 7 because it smells like boy.
Okay, so it gets a 7 from the smell test. But what about the looks? Does it get more points because it looks cool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It gets 8 for the looks.
An 8 for the looks, but a 7 for the smell.
Because it smells like boy cologne.
It does, and I really don't like that smell. So,
but you're a boy.
But I don't like the smell, like black ice and all that. I am not a fan. So here we go. This is from the Rag Company. This is called the Big One.
Yay!
This is a 25 by 40 inch towel. Do you want to open it up?
Yeah.
Let's see how big. How big do you think the Big One is?
I think it's taller than me.
No, it can't be taller than you. Whoa.
Is it taller than me?
I don't think it's taller than you. See? Almost, though. See? No, you're a little bit taller. But that's a big towel, huh?
It's like wrapping around my head. It's wrapping around my head.
What are your thoughts? Do you like this towel?
Yeah,
what color is it?
Gray and black.
Gray and black. And you like the gray and black towel? This is for like a drying towel.
Yeah.
Like when the vehicle's wet.
10.
A 10? 10 out of 10 for the
And
drying
you're
towel.
also wearing black and gray.
Oh. I'm going to throw this right here. Oh, look. A wash pad. We already have a few of these, but what do you think? You, what's your rating on the wash pad?
It's my favorite. 10.
10? You like those ones? Yeah.
These look like sponges.
Yeah, it's a big wash sponge. You like it? Yeah.
Are they things that we can put inside?
No, it's not. No, you don't put your hand in this one. This one's just like a sponge. You just grab it and shh. You like it though?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see what else we have in here. We have
I can keep building my piece.
from BioWorks Bio-Based Auto Care an all-purpose cleaner concentrate, highly concentrated at 128 to 1, plant-derived, non-toxic, safe on all automotive surfaces, and certified bio-based.
Is it toxic for me?
No, it says it's not.
Good thing
Let's see.
Good thing it's not.
And it's different dilution ratios, 8 to 1 for engine bays, tires, 16 to 1 for interiors, heavily soiled interiors, carpet, stains, etc. Dirty interiors, 32 to 1. Leather and vinyl seats, 64 to 1. Dusting, dashboards, fingerprint smudges, 128 to 1. Okay. Mia, you ready to smell this BioWorks all-purpose cleaner? It has a piece of foil on it, so let's see. Give it a big smell.
It smells like soap.
It smells like soap. Yeah, and it's all-purpose cleaner, and it doesn't smell bad, does it?
And it's not toxic.
Yeah. What do you think?
Is it able to go on our skin?
Well, I don't have an SDS right here. It says it can cause mild skin irritation and serious eye irritant. Keep out of reach of children. So I don't think we should put it on your skin. Okay?
Are you trying on yours?
You want me to put it on my skin?
Not at all. I was just...
Don't try this at home.
Don't.
You just told me to.
I told you not to.
Oh, she told me not to.
Don't.
Okay.
Wipe it off.
Okay. Well, with all-purpose cleaners, because they're alkaline based, they continue to work even after you wipe them off. So I'm gonna actually have to wash my hands, but it's okay. We'll take care of that in a second. Also, we have natural auto soap. Now this is pH balanced, so what I can do is I can just pour some of this on my skin, and I can neutralize.
I'm not.
Ooh, I like that one.
I like it too, but what does it smell
Here.
like?
Here, smell it. What does it smell like?
I don't even know.
I don't know, but it smells good. We're just gonna neutralize my skin, right? That way I get that all-purpose cleaner off of me, right? So I like this. This smells really good. It says it also is plant-derived, non-toxic, highly concentrated, 256:1, pH balanced, biodegradable, safe on skin.
Is it safe on all skin?
That's what it says.
Is it safe on mine?
It still says keep out of reach of children, but I think that's so children don't eat it or drink it.
I won't drink it.
You want to touch it? Or you want to play your game?
I'm playing.
Okay.
Because I have to
All right.
help random
Very
people
interesting.
to see if they.
Then we have a box in here. What do you think's in this box?
I don't even know.
Let's find out.
I think
We
there's
have-
a kit.
Ooh, it's a foam cannon.
I thought it was a kit.
It's a foam cannon from Action.
I want to test these.
From Action Detail Products, we got a foam cannon.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you. So, while I'm opening this, what did you rate the soap?
10.
A 10. Okay. And what did you rate the all-purpose cleaner? The all-purpose cleaner. What did you rate that one?
Good.
Good. You didn't rate that a 10, though, huh?
Oh, it's a 10.
The all-purpose cleaner is a 10 too. Wow.
I want to try spraying it.
Well, I got to get the pressure washer out.
Let's get the pressure washer. Pressure washer!
Okay, we'll do that in just a sec.
Can I try it?
Yeah. Sure.
Because I really like how to do these.
So, what do you think? What do you think about this one?
It's a 10.
A 10. You like this pressure? This foam cannon?
How do we squirt the foam in?
You got to hook it up to the pressure washer. It goes to the hose right here, and then you control the amount of foam over here. So
I want a lot of foam.
I know, and then we control how big the spray is right there. So what do you think? What's your favorite part of this glove box this month? The foam cannon? Is that a 10 out of 10? All right, so the foam cannon from Action Products, I'm really interested to try that out, see how that does. I want to try it with this natural auto soap from BioWorks. Very interested. I always like plant-based products. I always like super safe products. And I do want to try this all-purpose cleaner out. I am curious to see what the pH level is on this.
And we're also in our backyard.
I am going to look it up to see if I can find like an SDS
We're
on
also
this.
in our backyard because you can see a lot of
And then
plants.
we have this Detailer Society air freshener.
It was my birthday, so that's why you see.
I still don't like it.
balloons.
It smells like black ice, like cologne, which I hate that smell. But I like the Ghost. We have a ton of these. These are great. We like these. I have one in my wash bucket right now. And the big drying towel.
Where are the buckets?
It's right over there. But come say bye to everybody.
Bye.
All right.
I hope you have a great day.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Make sure you hit the like button up below and hit the subscribe button down below. And make sure you do that and subscribe to my channel and like to #Mia.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mia's new channel, #Mia.
I'm still going to be in your video.
Yes, this is for Arte Automobilistica, but Mia's #Mia channel to follow her gymnastics journey or her cheerleading
It's
journey.
actually cheer.
It's actually cheer and everything else that goes along
I'm gonna
with
show
the
you my
daily
bike.
life of Mia.
I'm
So
going to show you my bike.
Thank you for joining us. As always, like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye.